Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with a clean mesh and applied scale so bevels behave predictably. This matters because non-applied scale skews width. Once in edit mode, select the edges or vertices you want rounded and press Ctrl+B to activate the bevel tool. Move the mouse to set the initial width, then scroll the mouse wheel to add segments for smoothness. Make sure to watch the status in the bottom left. It shows width and segments so you can set precise values quickly. Once done with the interactive bevel, immediately open Adjust Last Operation, or press F9 to enter numeric width and segments. This lets you be precise. You can change profile between 0 and 1 to shift curvature. A 0.5 profile gives a near circular round. If shading looks odd, add supporting loop cuts or enable weighted normals and auto smooth to fix lighting. Make sure to check topology. Too many n-gons or overlapping edges cause issues. You finish by deciding destructive versus non-destructive workflow. Add a bevel modifier for editable rounds or keep Ctrl+B for direct edits. Set limit method to angle or weight to target specific edges and apply modifier when final. If you see pinching or shading artifacts, recalculate normals with Shift+N and remove duplicate vertices via merge by distance. That usually cures topology problems. If bevel fails on complex geometry, isolate the area, simplify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.